RMLS has updated the map functionality within RMLSweb. This update should provide a more consistent experience across devices, including on mobile devices. In this tutorial, we will provide a brief overview of the new functions and some tips to make the new map work for you. When you select Map Search or Advanced Search from the search menu, you will see the new map interface. The map begins in Pan mode, indicated by the blue button on the top of the map bar. When in Pan mode, you can move the map by clicking and dragging with your mouse. You can also use the Locate box to center the map over an area. Type a specific address, zip code, neighborhood name, or other location, and the map will move to center that location. Once you have located the area you wish to search, you can use the zoom tools or mouse wheel to zoom in or out to accommodate the shape you wish to draw. Selecting the Draw button will initiate draw mode and lock the map in its place so it can no longer be moved in any direction. Select the shape you wish to draw from the drop-down menu. You can draw a circle, rectangle, or polygon shape. Once you select the appropriate shape, click where you would like to draw your shape and drag your mouse as far as you desire. In the bottom bar on the left-hand side of the map, a distance measurement will show how much area your shape includes. Clicking a second time on the map will close a rectangle or circle shape. When using the polygon shape, a click will allow you to change directions. Continue clicking each time you wish to change directions. To close the polygon, click on the square that indicates the start point where you began your shape. Once your shape is drawn, Edit mode will be selected in blue. Click a shape while edit mode is engaged, and you will see squares appear on the corners of your shape, or on the edge of the circle if you use that tool. Clicking and dragging on the square with your mouse will allow you to edit that shape as you desire. You can also select the center of your shape to move it to another location that fits your search needs. While in edit mode, you can also select a shape and press the DEL button to delete the drawn shape. The EXCL button will change the shape to red and exclude properties that are within that shape from your search results. When you are finished drawing and editing your shapes, click the Finish button to lock your shapes in place. The Clear button at the top of the map will allow you to delete all shapes that you have drawn. This can also be used when you first begin a search to remove any previously drawn shapes and to start with a clean slate. On the top left of the map is a button containing 3 horizontal lines. Clicking this button will open a sidebar that contains several useful tools. Map layers can be toggled on or off at any time to provide additional information overlaid onto the map. There are several map layer options including neighborhoods, flood zones, school boundaries, and more. Also in the sidebar is a list of the shapes you have drawn with an Edit button. This will allow you to easily edit a shape even if it's underneath another shape. You can easily draw a radius around any point on the map you've searched using the Search Locations tab. With any search, it is recommended you press the Count button before you perform the search. The map will show the properties that match your criteria and are within the shape as blue circles, with MLS numbers listed below. Gray circles indicate that there's a property that matches your criteria that is outside of the shape. This gives you the option to edit your shape to include those properties you otherwise would have missed. Once you've performed your search, you can view several properties on the map together by selecting the checkboxes on the left-hand column and clicking Map Checked. The properties will show together on a map, and clicking on a green icon will give you additional information about that property. Clicking the car on the top of the page will list driving directions to each of those properties. You can add additional properties to the list using the plus button, or add a start or end location. Simply type in the proper address or MLS number and place it in your list appropriately. Create your ideal route by dragging these properties into the order you desire. A complete list of driving directions to each property is shown below. Simply scroll down to see that list. Print these directions for yourself or your client using the Print button at the top of the page. This new mapping system will also provide RMLS with the option to add additional improvements in the future. If you are having any issues with the map or need assistance in performing searches, please contact the RMLS Help Desk.